In front of me is nothing phone free, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. When you're ready, click on the icon of an app available at the top and select pop-up view. Now tap on this tiny window, and as you can see, I can use my app in floating window. To move it around, hold it at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. To minimize it, tap at the top left corner. And to go back to your window, tap on this little bubble. To close it though, hit this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!